One morning, all the trams were hard at work, taking passengers around the city as usual. And Sam was busy at the workshop as well. He was giving Robert a polish. Sam and Robert were good friends.
You've worked very hard this week, Robert. I think a polish has been long overdue.
Thank you, Sam. That feels lovely. Yes, around the wheels. Yeah, that's the spot. Hey, something wrong, Sam?
Oh no, it's alright, Robert. Really.
Sam, I can tell there's something wrong.
Well, it's just that... I wish I could do something different every now and then. Sometimes it can be boring at the workshop. I'm in need of a change.
I see what you mean. Maybe you should talk to Mr. Wells.
Thank you, Robert. I think I will. Sir, this may be an inappropriate time, but I feel we need to...
What are you talking about, Sam? This is the perfect time. I have a very important job for you.
Yes, sir?
Mr. Fern, the guy who works at the control room at Central Station, has suddenly been taken ill. Could you stand in for him today?
Oh, can I? Wow, this is brilliant. Cheers, Wellesley.
I don't like Frank calling me Wellesley, and I don't like you calling me it either.
Sorry, Marty.
Nobody calls me Marty.
Marty! Are you coming out, lovey? I need to go!
Oh, coming, Mother. Oh. Now, if you'll excuse me, Sam, I have a birthday picnic to get to.
Very good, sir. I'll get on with my new job.
Mr. Finn left a set of instructions for you on his desk in the control room. I think it might be a good idea to read them very carefully.
Thank you, Mr. Wells.
Sam.
Yes, I certainly am, sir. Thank you kindly. Bye.
Martin!
Hold your horses, Mother. I'll be right there.
Sam soon arrived at the control room at Central Station. Central Station is a very important part of the tramway because it is one of the only stations where all of the tram lines meet.
Look at all this high tech. This all looks very posh, eh? I can see everything from here. Oh, look, there's Eric. I guess I better let him through.
Oh, good. I can go now.
That's what you're doing, silly trams.
But, how? The light was green.
Ah, that was easy. Instructions are for beginners, not for experts, such as moi. Well, I think I better get practicing at this station announcement stuff, eh? Attention! The service on Platform 1 is ready to depart for Glens Park and the City Square.
Oh good, I need to get to Glens Park straight away. Wait for me!
The passenger raced into Bruno's compartments and Bruno left. The passenger didn't realise he was on the wrong tram. But back up in the control room, Sam was having a wonderful time.
Now for the real thing. Attention all passengers. On Platform 3, Albert's 11:15 service to Coef Road will arrive shortly.
When's the next tram to Coef Road? I can't hear any announcements or anything.
Please mind the gap between the tram and the platform and prevent from using mobile phones as they interfere with our systems. Thank you for your cooperation. That went well. I reckon some music is in order.
Here, who's making all that noise?
That noise, it's horrible.
What on earth is all this racket?
Excuse me, are you the tram from Cove Road?
What? I can't hear you!
Do you go to Cove Road?
Do I know any cows? Why are you asking me about cows?
How dare you call me a cow?
Oh, the fares are relatively cheap. About £2.
Oh no, I don't have any dogs. I'm allergic.
Not pounds, pounds!
I am not fat!
Oops, it's Patsy! Patsy's arriving on platform 2.
This music is worse than Patsy's dreadful singing!
My singing is not dreadful!
Hang on, Albert's not moving. Albert may leave the station now. It's no good. He's waiting for the points to be changed. Now let's see... Aha!
Apologize at once, Albert!
Oh, Weck. Perhaps it's time I should be going now. What the? I'm on the wrong track.
Oh yes! Results! Haha, this is just too easy. Oops. That's better. Now, no one can hear me. Now where was I? Oh yes. I am in charge! You're in my power now! I am the controller of the station! What I do because of Irish or that?
Meanwhile, Bruno was passing Morris's farm, feeling very happy. Suddenly, he saw another tram racing towards him. It was Albert.
Oh no! Stop! Albert, stop! Albert, what are you doing on my line?
I wish I knew. I want to be on my line, and so do my passengers. This won't make Mr. Wells happy.
I don't think he's too happy anyway, poor old Marty.
Bruno was right. Mr. Wells was having a terrible time. Preston was taking him and Mother Wells to their surprise picnic.
God blimey, Marty, you didn't need to go through all this trouble, you know. Oh, you did use the loo before we left, didn't you?
Yes, Mother.
And you washed your hands, did you? Don't want you getting into them nasty germs.
Yes, Mother.
And did you wipe your butt? I know that sometimes you...
Yes, Mother. Oh, I just hope Sam's getting on alright in the control room.
You'll be able to see for yourself, sir. We're coming up to the central station.
Preston arrived at Central Station. Sam was playing his music again.
Oh my! What on earth is that noise?
That's precisely what I want to know. Sam!
Ooh, Marty, this music is a tad loud for my taste!
Please stop calling me Marty when I'm on duty, Mother. I am Mr. Wells, the manager of this tramway.
Are you the manager of a tramway? I wish to complain!
Oh, no, I'm not the manager. He is over there.
Oi, you! I want a word!
Hello, sir.
Hello, Sam. Mind if I close the door?
Yeah, sure, but...
Could I, close these blinds?
Yeah, if you like, but then I won't be able to see the...
May I just turn these speakers off?
The speakers were on.
Oh, heck! I do hope everything's alright.
Come on, Sammy. Get up and fight like a man.
Well, what did I do? I don't know what I've done.
I've just been hearing complaints from our passengers. Trams on the wrong lines, false announcements, and that blasted music of yours. Why didn't you listen to me and read the instruction manual? No wonder you didn't know what you were doing.
I'm very sorry, sir.
I should think so too. My mother's gonna do unspeakable things to me. Her birthday's been ruined.
Oh, but of course not, lovey! I've had the most wonderful tram ride ever! You know, I was reluctant at first about it all that, but I've decided I really do love trams after all! Got quite a special charm in even the lovelies!
But it's too late to have our picnic now, surely.
Ah, it's not about the food, lovey! It's the company! This is the best birthday I've ever had!
Oh, well, I'm glad you've enjoyed it. Well, come on then. Let's go for our picnic before it gets all mouldy.
And spend some time together. Oh, Marty. Mwah!
Mother?
Sorry, sweetheart!
Sam was left alone in the control room. He then opened the instruction manual.
Let's have a look then.
So, with the help of the manual, Sam knew what to do. Before long, all the trams were back on the right lines, and everyone could listen to the station announcements.
Eric's 1705 service for Rolling Street is now ready to depart from platform 1. Last chance to board. Patsy's 1708 service to Sage Road will soon arrive on platform 4.
Later, Sam was back at the workshops.
Great to be back to my proper job.
And it's great to have you back, Sam.
Oh, good boy, Poochie. Eh? Who's a good boy?
Sam had learned that all jobs play a very big role in doing something, even the ones that seem small and easy. They're certainly much more difficult than they seem, at least.